Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmiya Green School, Standard 5th, subject GK, right? So today we'll see our next chapter, that is wildlife in India. In this chapter we study about the animals and also why we are making the sanctuaries, or we can say um, wildlife sanctuaries here. Okay, so it is very necessary to for some, because some of the very some of the few animals and birds, they have become extinct. So many reasons are there, due to hunting, or they not get protected. So and the I think weather or climate is also one of the factor of it. But most important, hunting is the reason. That's why we have to protect our birds and animals. Okay, fine. So we will start our chapter. India's dense forests are home to many animals, birds, and reptiles. Some of them are rare or endangered, while many have become extinct. So just now I have discussed, we have a number of animals, beautiful birds, then animals, then reptiles, so many worldwide centuries here. So we can say jungles and forest, they are the home of these animals, but still they are not protected. In order to protect our wildlife, these forests are being converted into sanctuaries and park. Yeah, it is absolutely true, because we have to protect these animals. So that's why it is converted into sanctuaries and park. Now, some questions are asked here, and according to that question, we get information about the sanctuaries in our India. Okay, and which birds and animals are becoming extinct here. So let's start. Kaziranga National Park in Assam is the home of the one-horned rhinoceros, which is disappearing rapidly. So see the first photo on page number 24. Okay, so which is disappearing rapidly on the bank of the river, on the bank of which river it is located? So it is located on the bank of Brahmaputra. Next question, which wildlife sanctuary lies on the border of India and Bhutan? So it is Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. When you are holidays in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, which famous zoological park you should certainly visit? It is Nandankan Zoological Park. Then Nala Sarovar is a lake which attract many birds, including flamingo and cranes. Which in which state it is located? So I think most of the students have seen it, because it is situated in Gujarat. Beside the tiger, which other animal is found in the Periyar Tiger Reservoir? It's a wild elephant. In which state will you find the Keoladeo National Park? What is it well known for? It is situated in the Rajasthan state, and bird Siberian crane is well known for it. Okay, in certain season these birds visit here, and they are so beautiful. I have seen this park. So not only these birds, so many birds are uh, here in this national park. There are so many beautiful birds are there, and we can see this beautiful bird also there. A national park in India has named after Jim Corbett, the famous writer and animal lover who wrote several popular books about tigers. What is the name of the park? Corbett Tiger Reservoir. Okay, so these are some little bit information about the worldwide sanctuaries and the reservoirs and the national parks, where the birds which are becoming extinct is protected here. So if you visited such type of park, or we can say a sanctuary, then you get information or knowledge, so why we have to protect these birds or animals. We get information about this bird, so which type of bird and what things are government are doing for this to protect these animals and birds, and why it is so important. Okay, so if you have chance in future to go and visit any sanctuary or reservoir or park, you should be go there, and you have to um, help them. Otherwise I can say you have to get knowledge why this is very important. Okay, so let's start our next chapter. Okay, see here, did you know the cheetah is the fastest land animal, is extinct in India. The black buck is now fastest animal in our country. It can gallop in a series of leap, each covering about 6 meters. It can run as fast as a car moving on a highway. I think everyone has seen such type of advertisement on TV. Okay, now see here, lesson and top. Name few animals and birds that have become extinct. Why do the creature become extinct? So 2 3 reasons I have told you. You have to think and find out why these birds or animals are become extinct. Okay, see, next, facts of life. Facts mean truth. Okay, so what are the facts we don't know, or most of the time some people know and we don't know about it. So let's see which are that facts. And second thing is, it is about the animals, and these animals includes birds, animals, then reptiles, and also insects. Get it? So let's start. Every year, millions of nibbling rats every million of hectares of crop in the world. So yes, it is true. Birds of prey have powerful hooked beak. Sorry, hooked beak. So yes, it is true. Some insects like cockroach and ants may live for several weeks even after their heads are cut off. So if you want to prove this truth, then you can take an experiment on cockroach or ants also. So it is true. Babies and sick people can drink cow's milk because it is easier to digest than goat milk. So it is false. Cow's milk is easier to digest. It is true, but it is easier than buffalo's milk. If we compare cows and goat milk, then goat milk is easier to digest. Okay. Next, hummingbirds and also cow's milk and goat milk both are beneficial for us. Also, buffalo's milk also beneficial, but fats are more in buffalo. Okay, fine. Hummingbirds can fly backwards, so it is true. Okay, it is true. Then mosquito do not have teeth. Yes, it is true. Though they have not teeth, they bite us very badly. Right now, the spine-tailed swift. Just 1 minute. Hummingbirds can fly backward, right? It is fifth one. Just give me 1 minute. I want to check it. It is true. Fine. Next, the spine-tailed swift found in the Indian subcontinent can fly at a speed of 170 km per hour. My God, what a speed! So it is true. If you start to lose your balance, you use your arms to regain your balance. Is it